Bricks have been used for centuries, dating back to ancient civilizations. From the Great Wall of China to the Roman aqueducts, bricks have played a crucial role in shaping our architectural heritage. They are a timeless building material, admired for their strength and aesthetic appeal. Whether it's a medieval castle or a modern urban home, bricks add a touch of elegance and history. They offer durability, beauty, and versatility. Bricks can withstand harsh weather conditions, provide excellent insulation, and come in a variety of colors and textures to suit any design preference. From classic red clay bricks to modern concrete and fly ash options, the choices seem endless. Each type of brick has its own unique properties and benefits, making them suitable for different construction needs. Understanding the differences between these brick types is key. Classic red clay bricks are known for their traditional look and thermal properties, while modern concrete bricks offer strength and versatility. Fly ash bricks, on the other hand, are eco-friendly and cost-effective. This guide will help you make informed decisions for your dream home. Whether you're building a new house or renovating an old one, choosing the right type of brick can make a significant difference in the overall look and feel of your home. We'll explore the world of bricks, showcasing their use in different cultures and architectural styles. From the rustic charm of European cottages to the sleek lines of contemporary skyscrapers, bricks are a universal building material. Let's dive into the manufacturing processes and unique characteristics of each type. Understanding how bricks are made can help you appreciate their quality and durability. We'll weigh the pros and cons, ensuring you have all the information you need to make the best choice. Each type of brick has its own advantages and disadvantages, and knowing these can help you select the best option for your project. Get ready to be inspired. We'll showcase some of the most stunning architectural designs using different brick materials, proving that bricks are not just functional, but also incredibly beautiful. Navigating the world of bricks can feel overwhelming. With so many options available, it's easy to get lost in the details. Fear not, we're here to simplify it. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a DIY enthusiast, understanding the basics can make all the difference. Each brick type boasts unique properties and benefits. From durability to aesthetic appeal, the right brick can transform your project. Let's break it down. Clay bricks are the traditional choice. They have been used for centuries and are known for their strength and durability. They offer a timeless aesthetic that never goes out of style, making them perfect for classic and rustic designs. Concrete bricks provide a modern appeal and versatility. They are often used in contemporary architecture due to their clean lines and uniformity. Fly ash bricks are the eco-conscious option. Made from industrial byproducts, they help reduce waste and promote sustainability. They are made with industrial byproducts, which not only makes them environmentally friendly, but also cost-effective. Each brick type has its own manufacturing process. Understanding these processes can help you appreciate the craftsmanship involved. This impacts its final look, strength, and sustainability. For instance, clay bricks are known for their robustness, while fly ash bricks are praised for their eco-friendliness. Knowing these details empowers you to choose the perfect brick. Whether you're prioritizing aesthetics, strength, or environmental impact, there's a brick for you. This will be based on your design vision and environmental values. By understanding the unique qualities of each brick type, you can make an informed decision that aligns with your project's goals. Clay bricks are the cornerstone of traditional architecture. Their warm, earthy tones evoke a sense of history and permanence, but their beauty is more than skin deep. Clay bricks are known for their durability. They are also fire-resistant and offer excellent insulation. These qualities make them perfect for various climates. Think cozy cottages and grand estates. They age gracefully. This adds to their charm over time.
The process of making clay bricks is a fascinating blend of ancient techniques and modern technology. It all starts with the raw material, clay. The clay is carefully selected and then mixed with water to achieve the right consistency. The mixture is then molded into the desired shape using either traditional hand molding techniques or modern extrusion methods. The bricks are then dried to remove excess moisture before being fired in kilns at extremely high temperatures. This firing process gives clay bricks their signature strength, durability, and color.
Section 5. Concrete bricks, the modern alternative. Concrete bricks, as the name suggests, are made from concrete. This makes them incredibly versatile. They offer a sleek modern aesthetic and come in a wide range of colors, sizes, and textures. They can even mimic the look of natural stone. Concrete bricks have gained popularity for their affordability and durability. They are also a good choice for homeowners looking for a more contemporary look. Section 10. Making the choice your dream home, brick by brick. Choosing the right brick for your home is a significant decision. It's a choice that will impact not only the look and feel of your home, but also its durability and environmental footprint. It's about more than just aesthetics. The type of brick you choose can affect the thermal efficiency of your home, its resistance to weather, and even the level of maintenance required over the years. It's about investing in a material that reflects your style, budget, and commitment to sustainability. Sustainable bricks can reduce your home's carbon footprint and contribute to a healthier planet. Whether you're drawn to the classic charm of clay bricks, which have been used for centuries and offer a timeless look, the modern appeal of concrete bricks, known for their strength and versatility in contemporary designs, or the eco-conscious benefits of fly ash bricks, which are made from industrial waste and help in reducing landfill, there's a perfect brick out there waiting to bring your dream home to life. Take your time, do your research, and choose with confidence. Remember, the right brick can make all the difference in creating a home that is not only beautiful, but also sustainable and enduring. So, explore your options, consult with experts, and envision how each type of brick will contribute to the overall harmony of your dream home.